Manipur State Unit President Awangbaw Nyumai has denied claims of Naga People's Front (NPF) withdrawing support from N. Biren-led government. In an audio statement released by NPF, the minister categorically dismissed a viral social media post claiming that NPF was likely to withdraw support from Biren-led government and added that the viral post is baseless and unfounded. He added that NPF is an alliance partner which is very loyal and underscored the strong ties and mutual support between NPF and BJP. He highlighted the recent elections where BJP, being an alliance partner, had well supported the NPF candidate in the recently election. Minister Awangbaw Nyumai appreciated BJP's support in the election and asserted that there is no point of withdrawing from BJP, emphasizing that NPF will remain as loyal partner.
NPF na Honorable Chief Minister N. Biren Singh na luchingba government dagi withdraw tawre haina viral chaliba media de chaliba adu aran ba pauni akoi aduguma leite akoi yamna loyal oiba align partner ni andak loikiba 18 Lok Sabha election is BJP as an aligned partner for the support of the Yamna and withdraw to Bulu from the special late, withdraw from the work of the work from later. How the loyal partner on the 9 lake.